Amara m onye m so ụjọ adịghị atụ m. Echetara m ihe mere arọ ole ma ole gara aga mgbe m zutere ihe mberede n'okporo ụzọ. Onye a na-eso kpuchi m kpatara ọsọ enyemaka. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ndị so na ya bụ njem tụfuru ndụ ha, mana Chima na-ekwu maka ya. O melụ na ya bụ ihe mberede n'okporo ụzọ ọkụ akọghị m n'arụ. Ọnya ka m ji wee kwuo na mmadụ onye m na-eso ya bụ nwa Chukwu. Obi alọla gị mmiri, chekwube na Chukwu obi sie gị ike. Obi alọla gị mmiri, ọ bụ naanị n'oge nsogbu na ebuli mmiri nke ndụ. Obi sie gị ike, chi ya ga-agwụdosiri gị ike. Ya gazie. Good morning viewers all over the world. Egwu ịnụrụ kịta bụ egwu si na ngalaba na-afụ gbasara mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo n'Ugo ọdịnala temple a na-akpọ Nkwakuru, led by me. Ọ bụrụ na ị like ya bụ egwu ịnụrụ, jee na audio mark the iTunes and rest of them chọọ ya bụ egwu ma download ya. Amara m onye nsọ. We have all the rights. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Momu Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Chukwu n'Oraifite, ma ọ bụ kpọọ m aka Chukwu. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja n'Ugo ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afọ miri emi lụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja n'ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụkwa onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. No, but no, the topic of today is very unique. Purpose of worshiping God. Igo-Muo. Purpose of worshiping God. No Nibo, about Igo-Muo. Now our topic. Before we dive into today's lecture proper, important announcement. Remember that we are still in the month of March. Our group ritual for the month is still ongoing, and you can join us anywhere you are all over the globe. Okay, this month ending, they are very unique because now the 4 days closing prayer so retreat counseling. Yes, Nimia. Okay, portal na from 28 onward till the last day of this month. I get what kind of counseling sections, consultations, and kind of retreats, which is here with Saraka earlier. One Chubakwaja Makanaja Karidogo. We started this group ritual over 3 years now. Believe me, we have massive testimonies, but as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media or even in the SEOku TV because it's not necessary. Probably hides Machiavelli, but I can tell you, Eze-Ana actually, so I want to show you lie. You will kiss you lie anywhere in on a sort of what. Makanike Chukwu he gave able a contribute your token donation. Then forward your 3 prayer requests I get them out and actually and I go for new people for the wrong one. This show to go to the temple, this in the leaders will lie all over the group, our fans all over the world. So why is that this is the difference of the temple, children of the temple, and members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission all worldwide? Then I continue May to achieve the last of the month. I will make a program I will see the last of the month. So anyone is interested, he will chat me on WhatsApp. I will tell you other details we need for you in order to book you. WhatsApp number is 0805 78 37 672. I repeat 0805 78 37 672 or 0813 8243 871. I repeat 0813 8243 871. I will need this when I need you to have numbers in the Amporketa go show on the television. That's screen here. Now let's proceed. Remember today's topic. Purpose of worshiping God. Igo-Muo. Yes. I want to hear you can call again. Whether me warn you, you call yourself a Christian or in a practice any form of religion. Mobuni bonyo Eze-Ana. Genti ma genti nkoma. Nkuzi anada na mmadu dum. Actually, let the bandage fall from your eyes so that you'll be able to perceive and understand exactly how things work in creation. So what am I saying in essence is this. Chukwu okike pụrụ ime ihe niile is the creator of the entire universe. And we are all his children, creatures. Your purpose why you are not getting what you want is that you are not worshiping God. Makana Chukwu tosrikia worship boye. You are worshiping God with the wrong mindset. Yes, that is the problem. What you are not getting right, and that is the reason why you are still struggling. You will be telling me that you have been praying all this while. I can tell you, take my advice today, and it shall be well with you. Enwelo attitude nwata kreji ayota nna ihe. Welo over sabigi. Welo human mentality gi. Debe na akuku. Achon kan kowalage the real secret. Uze SFM mo. Nkambugolo malona Chukwu bu mmụọ onwero nna o ji aka dịrị n'onwe. He is the unmovable mover. He has no beginning, he has no end. The Alpha and Omega, dominating everything. Just have this in mind and know that you worshiping God we never add anything to him. Just know it that Chukwu can lose nothing if for any reason he decide not to worship him. He lose nothing. He permitted us to be here in this gross material world out of his love and mercy. So we owe him gratitude throughout our entire existence. Chukwu is not owing you anything. Rather, you are the one that's supposed to be glorifying him morning, afternoon, and night, for being so nice and permitted you to be here and give you all the opportunity to mature in this gross material world. It's like parents. I can tell you as a child that you owe your parents all the gratitude. Your parents is not owing you anything for giving you this opportunity to be here on earth. I can tell you. The same way Chukwu is not owing you anything to give you this opportunity, to provide this opportunity for you to be here on earth. I can tell you. In the spiritual realm, look at their paradise. We ordinary people call it Eze-Ana or one more. We are all there as a spirit jams, unconsciously, without knowing that we are existing. We remain dormant. Yes, we are unconscious of what is happening within our existence. We are dormant and we are not contributing anything to creation. In fact, if I ask you where were you in the last 500 years, do you know? If I tell you that you have been in creation over 1,000 years, some millions of years, you do know. You don't know that you once existed. So Chukwu, in his infinite mercy, decided that, look, human spirits have been lying fellow in the spiritual realm. Let me allow them to go down to earth, far away from the proximity of divinity of God, whom is light. Chukwu will be here. In the proximity of Chukwu, man, human spirit lost consciousness. So he permitted human spirit to descend in this gross material world, Kura region, in order to recover consciousness. Now, in this particular world, earth plane you are now, you discover that you are a human being, human spirit. But I can tell you, Chukwu, you are here because Chukwu permitted you to be here, provided all the opportunity as a spirit jam in the no one more material world, longing, praying for opportunity to present himself for you to reincarnate here, waiting patiently for your mother, your parents to provide the opportunity as man or woman for you to seize that opportunity to reincarnate here. So you longed for it, you begged for it to be given opportunity to be here, so that you will be able to contribute to your quota, so that you will be able to mature by experiencing. So you ask for it, but you're unconscious of your existence. That's why you don't know. So for that reason, you are owing Chukwu that opportunity given to you for you to be one more, waiting patiently for opportunity to be presented here by your parents for you to reincarnate. So you are owing Chukwu all the gratification, all the praises, all the worship. You are owing it to Chukwu. Why to your parents? You are owing all the praises, honor, and respect to your parents for giving you this opportunity to be here on earth. That's why one of the commandments said, respect your parents so that your life will be long. Can do where the anya? Onya, one of the commandments that has clause on it. Let me tell you, Chukwu is not owing you a dime. It's not owing you anything. For the fact that he gave you this opportunity, using your parents to permit you to be here on earth, is enough. Yes. Ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu sị na nwata wunata anọ, ewu nata anọ nwụta nne ya alọ kwa eziokwu. If you need any other additional blessings you work for it. Providing opportunity for you to be here and not on earth is enough. And nothing more. Chukwu no longer owe you anything. Whatever you want again, outside giving you opportunity to be here on earth, you work for it. Whatever, that's why Galatians system says, and I quote, God can never be mocked. Whatever you sow, so shall you reap. So if you want additional things of life, you work them out. Nwatakịrị nọ n'ezinụlọ. If you wake up in the morning as a child, there is some morning chores you should do. You don't wait for anybody, for your parents to beg you to do it. As an adolescent, you wake up in the morning, you tidy up your rooms, do all the normal cleanings. Yes, it's normal thing you need. Once you do what is expected of you, just relax. What you eat will come. It's like an obedient child. Once you wake up, you greet your parents, because they are the living God you are seeing with your eyes. The same way you wake up in the morning, a thank Chukwu Kepremi Henine. Worshipping Chukwu Kepremi Henine is for your own gain. Makano, good morning, total. How are you? Listen to Ejego Chukwu Kepremi Henine Kene. Entities of power Sekene. The primordial queen Ekene. Ndangelo nke Chukwu ndị na-eje oru na-eji igbe ekene chi onye ụwa ma ekene. Maka na ekene nwaanyị na-agwa akịdị ike adị agwọta ọzọ. You have to praise them. Yes, because good morning is senior brother to how are you. Ndị Igbo na-atụ n'usi na nwatakịrị gwa okenye ebe ọ na-eje agwa ihe ọ ga-ekwu n'oruo. Ndị Igbo na-atụ n'usi na before anwụ being will sting you, you must go back to the hive. Before anwụ agba oje juru akwụ ya before ọgba. So what am I saying? Nwata pụtara ụtụtụ mgbe gburugburu mgbe ezi dị n'ụkwụ ụgwa. Mothers, women, mgbe nwaanyị bụ nwaanyị, I mean genuine women. Nwaanyị pụta ụtụtụ oje nọ na n'obi nna anyị, oje ebe anwa omenatara ya nna anyị ụtụtụ ọma. Ihe ọ bịara ime ahụ ka ọ nara ngozi, to receive blessings, morning blessings. You greet nna anyị will tap you at the back, say, my wife, it shall be well with you. Or you go, it shall be well with you. Onye will bless you 2.5 hours na day gozie gị nara ngozi. That is the process. As a child, you walked straight to your parents, said, Daddy, good morning, sir. Mommy, good morning, ma. Have I said, Mom, hello, hello, hey, when you no matter how old, I won't who had on my second on Quagaho, I heard the quaggy. Oh, good morning, Tota, how are you? You must first of all recognize them. So you must go to your parents, greet them in the morning. After greeting them with due respect, they will now ask you, they will now look your face and say, how are you doing? Then if you have anything you deserve their attention, they will listen to you because you greeted them first and first. Are you following? The same way, the relationship that should be between you and your Chukwu and your entities of powers is your spiritual associate. This morning, have you created time, few minutes of your time to praise Chukwu, the unmovable mover? Have you greeted entities of powers. Have you? Have you greeted your guardian angel? Have you? Have you appreciated all your spiritual forces? Because they are greater than you. You need them. Because they are your backbone. Have you greeted them? Don't you know that once you greet them, give them the praises and the honor that is due to them, they will be able to look your face and know how you are faring. It's good morning that is senior brother to how are you? So have you greeted your forces? Have you done that? It's your duty. So stop telling me that you praise Yachi. Nay na Igo-Muo. Epototo to go off. Nay na go for 1 month to nobody here. Nay na watch for 1 month to nobody here. Nay na Chukwu for 1 month to nobody here. It's your duty to praise them. Is your duty. To praise Chukwu is your duty as a child. And go ahead to do all the morning chores. Is it not your responsibility to greet your parents and do all the house chores? Of course, once you greet your parents, do the house chores, what you eat will come. The same thing should be the relationship between you and your Chukwu, the creator of the whole universe. Once you worship him, do what is expected of you as a good child. Believe in me, what you eat will come. It's a promise. Yes. But outside that, they are not owing you anything. So whenever you do the right thing that is expected of you, what you deserve will come naturally. But note that Chukwu is not owing you anything. You should learn how to worship Chukwu or even giving you opportunity to be here. Millions of spirit gems are there in the paradise. No one more waiting to be given opportunity to be here on earth in order to mature, to be conscious of their existence. Some of them have not gotten the opportunity. But you that got the opportunity to be here as a human spirit, seize the opportunity. Keep thanking Chukwu for giving you that opportunity to be here. Only that thing alone, giving you opportunity, is enough for you to be thanking him day and night. That's all. So praising Chukwu, praising your forces, aligning yourself with them, be at peace with them, doing what is expected of you as a child. Yes, it's what doing is your duty. They are not owing you any other thing. Any other thing should be jara. That is why it's written in John Matthew chapter 6 verse 33. Say, "Child is anywhere." Any other thing will be added to you as jara. So what you should be seeking first is how to be grateful to and worship Chukwu because he deserves to be worshipped. Any other thing that is material thing, any other thing that is your need, will be added unto you as jara. But you should not first of all be asking of jara without first of all seeking the true worship of Chukwu. That should be paramount. Worshiping him because he deserves to be worshipped is the first thing to do. As a child, you should not be expecting your parents to pay your house rent, your school fees, when you have not greeted them, when you have not done the house chores. First thing first. So Most of you are given Chukwu condition. If you bless me, I worship you. Who lose? Do you think that your praises, or even Iso Chukwu, but Iso Mumo, Ichukwu, do you think that they lose anything? If you decide not to be doing it, it's for your own cup of tea. But I would advise you to keep doing it, because what I can ask asakwa na kwakia. Onye na asakwa na kwakia. Onye kene sonye kene. You must be grateful to Mobido na Chigi. Their spiritual forces, their spiritual associates. You will always be thankful. The spirit loves a cheerful giver. Somebody that once you are giving, they are not murmuring. More hate the murmuring. They hate it with passion. Worship Chukwu Okike, because Chukwu Okike deserves to be worshipped. Recognize your spiritual forces because they deserve to be recognized. Once you do the right thing, believe in me, what you eat will come. They will bless you abundantly beyond measures. So, but stop attaching so much miracle as if Chukwu decide not to grant all your wish, that you no longer worship Chukwu. Who lose? Do you think that you are worshiping him is adding anything to him? He is already Chukwu. He is already great. If he recognize and be respectful to Onyeburebu or Goziegi. But in our Bakasia, who lose? So you should understand that worshiping Chukwu is paramount. It's a duty that you must be doing. For the simple fact that Chukwu permitted you to be here on earth. So greeting him, recognizing him at Chukwu, and aligning yourself with other spiritual forces, starting for Yachi, is paramount. I can tell you. And doing those things is what is expected of you. So obudi Chukwu achigi ne ko won kucha si fu na something here there on amwata ken no na benda na nya. After doing the house chores, you will be finding yourself that you have done something great. Who does that? It's your duty. And of course, once you do the right thing, do your house chores, do what is expected of you as a child, what you eat will come. Why am I saying so? So most people are expecting so much what they know and call miracle, so much from God. Chukwu is not owing you anything except your life. Do you know that your existence is miracle enough? Do you know? Do you know that you are alive today in the land of the living is miracle? Do you know? Do you know that even having good health is miracle enough? Do you know? Do you know that even giving you opportunity to be here on earth is enough miracle? And he deserve to be thanked on daily basis. Most people are living their life based on miracle. That is why one of the allegorical story in the Bible, why I normally quote Bible, is to pick the lesson from that particular stories. We were told that Jesus fed over 5,000 people, and the next day they came. He told them that he knew that why they came is not because they are making good use of his lessons and sermon. They came because of what they ate yesterday. The sinner now said that this generation is the generation that is looking for miracle. And because this generation is the generation that is looking for miracle, that is why some acclaimed men of God, church people, pastors, evangelists are using you people to do gambling. Most of them are fabricating lies, fabricating acclaimed miracles, fabricating RNG. If you are watching no many churches, you will see where they are saying, I will be using crutches that are delivering, making the limb to walk. But ask yourself, you can never see someone I have never seen. Because this generation is a generation that using miracle to know a real called one. Therefore, that's why you are passing through all those RNG pastors and the evangelists. This generation is a generation that is looking for so much miracle, and that is why people are falling victims, and they are doing RNG, doing you people in anything, and people are keep falling. So your basic for worshiping Chukwu should not be miracle based. That's what I'm saying. Message of today is for you to be understand and worship Chukwu because he deserves to be worshipped, not because of what he will get from him. Change your mindset so that Chukwu will begin to do many things for you. If the way I am now, if you see people that every time they are expecting, they are claiming to love you because of what they will benefit, you know that they are your pretense. But when you are doing the right thing because this is the right thing you're supposed to do, it's better. Look at the story of the Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They said, even if our chi did not save us from the wicked king, that they will never go against their wish and what they believe. That is conviction. That is believing in Chukwu. But most of you came back to Eze-Ana, and you thought Eze-Ana is getting rich quick. After doing one or two, you did not get what you want. He began to castigate, or he began to say, I thought this one. Yeah, because you came back with the wrong mission. You don't even understand what aligning with your chi and aligning with your spiritual forces is all about. Chukwu is not promising you get rich quick. Obubando, the oath our forefathers entered with Chukwu is not all about getting rich quick. Obubando den nanayara no mumobu ogonogondo na risike. Ogonogondo na risike. So stop worshiping Chukwu. If you really purpose you are worshiping Chukwu or aligning with your forces, more his purpose is miracle based. Forget it, you are not serious. Be doing what is expected of you as obedient child of God. Keep doing what is expected of you as a respectful child of God. Align yourself with your. Forget to see I can tell you that no mumandua din nanaiha nwelo garden isigi ogwa gwara agwa ya egburo gi si na aja ya egburo gi ari izuzu ndị ajọ mmadụ zuru n'ebe na ama abịa na mmezu ị ga-ejere obodo ị ga-adara obodo ụmụ mmụọ ga-emere gị ya mana first of all ị ga na-emere gị ihe with a clean heart that you are not what you are doing is not attached to miracle. I were do obi a na-esu ya ụmụ mmụọ ha mara na ijiro clean heart wee na-eso ha. Take my advice today and it shall be well with you. Ka nkwụsị ebe a ọ bụrụ na ị gwa ajụjụ na nkụzi taa ma ọ bụ na ịchọ ka agbara gị family ma ọ na ị nwere ajụjụ chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837 I repeat 0805 7837 ma ọ bụ 0813 8243 871 I repeat 0813 8243 871 ma ọ bụ na na screen gị ị ga-afụ these numbers ma ọ bụ na esonyela anyị n'eziokwu TV. See you tomorrow n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Ọ bụ na ọnwa egburu ji eji wee chụ aja emechaa na ọya ebume. May the blessing of Chukwu pụrụ ime ihe niile be with you all. May you be protected, may you be favored. N'aha Chukwu okike nke pụrụ ime ihe niile ike niile si n'aka ya bịa ka emesịa.